Hey, this is Kyle from essentialdeveloper.com. In this video, I would like to ask you an important question. But before that, let me tell you what I believe to be one of the best skills a software developer can master. Long-term vision. It might sound obvious to you, but in our experience, most developers focus on the short-term gains, in the endless pursuit of silver bullets and magic solutions, when normally the fastest route is patience. So why is the long term so important? Well, most results in our life and our careers, well, the results are asynchronous or even out of our control. So instead of trying to control the result, we can visualize what the result can be, and that's the long-term vision, but focus on the process to get there. And even better, we can be flexible and welcome changes along the way, because the process is what we can control. For example, test-driven development is a discipline that can give you control over the development process. But for it to work, it is required consistency. Consistency is the key, because consistency is the focus on the process. And TDD is just an example. You can follow your own preferred process, but follow it every day. Be consistent. Now, the important question I want to ask you. Right now, do you focus more on the result or the process to get there? Let us know your answer and how that's working out for you in the comments. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you next time.